Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Kia Optima EX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 182,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.